Imagine a world where your dinner is not cooked, but crafted. A world where textures dance on your tongue and flavors explode in symphonies of taste, all orchestrated by the gentle hum of a 3D printer. This is no longer a scene from a science fiction movie. This is the future of food, slowly becoming our reality. Just like an artist with a palette of colors, a chef can use a 3D food printer to create culinary masterpieces. Imagine personalized meals, tailored to your exact dietary needs and preferences. Picture intricate edible sculptures transforming even the simplest meals into works of art. But how does it all work? What is the science behind these futuristic feasts? Let's delve deeper into the fascinating world of 3D printed food. The concept is simple, yet the execution is revolutionary. 3D food printing works much like traditional 3D printing, but with edible ingredients. Think of it as a high-tech pastry bag, capable of constructing complex shapes and structures with incredible precision. Instead of plastic filament, 3D food printers use cartridges filled with specially prepared food pastes, gels, and powders. These ingredients are carefully chosen and processed to achieve the desired texture and consistency for printing. Layer by delicate layer, the printer deposits these edible inks onto a printing platform, building up the food item according to a digital blueprint. Imagine a lasagna, its layers of pasta, meat sauce, and cheese meticulously assembled by a robotic arm, or a chocolate cake, its intricate design and internal structure impossible to replicate by hand. The possibilities are limited only by our imagination. The implications of 3D food printing extend far beyond novelty. This technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we prepare, consume, and even think about food. Imagine a world where cooking becomes as simple as selecting a recipe from a digital library and pressing print. No more slaving over a hot stove or struggling with complex recipes. 3D food printers could handle everything from everyday meals to elaborate desserts, freeing up our time and energy for other pursuits. Moreover, this technology could usher in an era of personalized nutrition. Imagine tailoring your meals to your specific dietary needs and preferences, creating customized dishes that cater to allergies, intolerances, and even individual tastes. The future of food is about to get personal. Section 4, Beyond the Dinner Plate, 3D food in hospitals, space, and beyond. While the prospect of a 3D food printer in every kitchen is exciting, the applications of this technology extend far beyond our homes. From hospitals to space stations, 3D food printing is poised to transform the way we feed people in challenging environments. In hospitals, 3D food printing could revolutionize patient care. Imagine creating meals tailored to the specific nutritional needs of patients recovering from surgery or managing chronic illnesses. 3D printed food could also make hospital food more appealing and easier to consume, especially for those with difficulty chewing or swallowing. In space, where every ounce of cargo matters, 3D food printing offers a way to provide astronauts with nutritious and varied meals without the need for bulky and perishable ingredients. Imagine printing fresh vegetables and fruits on demand, transforming long-duration space missions into more palatable experiences. Section 5. The Taste of Tomorrow, Overcoming the Challenges of 3D Food Printing. While the potential of 3D food printing is undeniable, several challenges remain before this technology becomes commonplace. Cost, speed, and taste are all significant hurdles that need to be overcome. Currently, 3D food printers are expensive, putting them out of reach for most consumers. The printing process itself can also be time-consuming, especially for complex dishes. However, as with any emerging technology, these limitations are expected to improve as research and development continue. Perhaps the biggest challenge is replicating the taste and texture of traditionally prepared food. While significant progress has been made, 3D printed food still has a way to go before it can truly rival the flavor and mouthfeel of our favorite dishes. Section 6. Food for Thought. Will 3D printing reshape our relationship with food? The future of food is a fascinating frontier, and 3D printing is poised to play a significant role in shaping how we nourish ourselves in the years to come. While it's unlikely that 3D printers will replace traditional cooking entirely, they offer a glimpse into a world where food is personalized, convenient, and perhaps even a little more magical. Imagine a future where food scarcity is a distant memory, where personalized nutrition is accessible to all, and where the only limit to culinary creativity is our imagination. This is the promise of 3D food printing, a technology that has the potential to revolutionize not just our kitchens, but our entire relationship with food. As we stand on the cusp of this exciting new era, one thing is clear. The future of food is here, and it's being printed layer